All right, guys, how we doing? Back for another Ricoh GR III video. This one, again, downtown Indianapolis. I like to come out on Wednesdays because it's farmers market day, and that brings people downtown and brings people out of the buildings and that sort of thing. It's a beautiful day out here, so I thought I'd get down here and get some more shots. I tried to stay away from the farmers market. I know that's getting old, but still just doing the snap focus. The settings today, everything is at 1 meter. So with my f-stop at F9, that's going to give me a big depth of field there, something I can use and utilize. Typically when I shoot, I'm shooting somebody that's going to be within 5 to 10 feet of me anyway. That would be 1 to 3 meters. So I think the 1 meter snap focus is working just fine for me. So again, guys, I'm just out here having fun. You know, there was a comment left that, well, anybody can take photos like this, and yeah, that's the point. That's why I'm doing these, to show that anybody can take photos like these. It's not rocket science. You don't have to be a professional photographer. That's kind of the idea. So thanks for pointing that out. But again, I do appreciate it, guys. Always leave a comment, leave a suggestion, like it, subscribe, whatever. Criticize if you want. I do appreciate it, negative or positive. I appreciate it, guys. I don't care, because I'm just having fun. If you all want to follow along, that's great. But I'm going to do these regardless. I don't do these for money. I do these for my own enjoyment, and I like to share it. And apparently people like to see it. So, you know, as long as that's happening, we'll keep it rolling, guys. I'm going to be here all winter. We're going to get some snow shots. We're going to get some rain shots, all kinds of good stuff. So hang in there. Again, please like, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. That's a dude in the hell of a haircut. Get this guy here. Okay, now we have another target upcoming. This guy here, I'll move out of the way, kind of get in front of him here. Got the shot, target coming up. There we go. So we got a few people coming this way. Trying to work the sun a little bit. Got my snap focus going. Which one do I pick? I'll take her. It's kind of cool. Let me go up to my 50. Boom. Okay, now we're back to 28. I've got my, that's a dude on a moped. That's always cool. I'm not sure what I got on that, but I think I can do it this way. Not really sure. But we got some people walking this way, so we're just going to sit here and we're going to wait. Okay, well that was interesting. Let's see how that one came out. All right, we are back to barren streets here. That's why I come down on Wednesdays for the farm market, because at least we get people out walking around. And now they're all back hunkered down, apparently, in their offices or what have you. Okay, so that's going to do it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.